If you want to remove background from an image or a photo on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open our gallery. Now, once you open gallery, then of course over here we should be able to choose the photo from which you want to remove background. So for example, over here I have this diecast, and let's say if I want to remove the background, I can just tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. And then we can use these 4 circles. And in here you want to choose the lasso option. Now we can draw a shape around the subject that we want to cut out. There we go. And now we should be able to tap on the next. There we go. In here we should be able to also add the outline in case you want to add one. You can also change the color of the outline, although it is of course not really necessary to do so. And then we can tap on the done at the bottom of the screen, and then we can either tap on the save at the top or tap on 3 dots in order to find save copy option to save this separately and keep the original image. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.